Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to sign up for Bybit and how to trade futures in detail. I'll teach you so that beginners can easily follow along. When you register using the link below this video, you'll receive a 20% discount on Bybit trading fees, plus extra bonus rewards. To make sure you get all of these benefits, I recommend signing up directly through the link in the description. First, let's find out how to subscribe to Bybit. After clicking the link under the video, you'll be redirected to the official Bybit sign-up page. Please sign up by email or mobile number. Please set the password to at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. After setting your password, you'll see a referral code field. Here, be sure to enter the referral code SKY333. By using this code, you'll receive a 20% trading fee discount along with bonus rewards. Once everything is filled in, click Get My Welcome Gifts. And complete the security check by sliding the puzzle into place. Next, confirm your email address or phone number. After this verification step is done, your Bybit account registration is fully completed. Now, let's move on to identity verification, also known as KYC. KYC is required to deposit, withdraw, and trade on Bybit. Because this process includes face verification, we'll continue using a mobile device. Please install the Bybit app on your smartphone. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Log in using the account details you just registered. On the main screen, tap Verify Now to start verification. Please choose your country of residence. Then, review the agreement and check the box below. Tap Confirm to proceed. Next, move on to document verification. Select the type of identification you want to use. Most users prefer to verify using a passport. Tap Continue to move to the next step. Make sure the information page of your passport is clearly visible, and take a photo within the frame. Now, complete the facial verification process. Follow the on-screen instructions, such as turning your head or blinking when prompted. In most cases, this verification is completed within about 1 hour. After the screening, the status will change to verified. Next, we'll set up two-factor authentication for security. Please return to the Bybit desktop website. From the left menu, click Account, and then select Security. To enable Google two-factor authentication, click on the Setting option. Complete the email or phone verification. After that, a pop-up window will appear on the screen. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once the app is ready, open it. Tap the plus button at the bottom right, and choose Scan a QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code shown on the Bybit screen. After scanning, a 6-digit code will appear in the app. Enter this 6-digit code into the Google code field on your computer. Finally, click Confirm to finish the setup. You've now successfully set up Google two-factor authentication. Secondly, I'll guide you through how to add funds to your Bybit account. Please head back to the main home screen. Tap Assets in the top right corner to view all available wallet types. The funding account is used for deposits and withdrawals, while the unified trading account is used for trading. To begin depositing, select the funding account. On the following screen, tap Deposit in the top right corner. Then, choose the option labeled Deposit Crypto. Now, pick the cryptocurrency you plan to deposit. In most situations, USDT is commonly selected. Next, select the network you want to use. Many people prefer the Tron network for its fast speed and low fees. After that, a USDT deposit address will be created. Carefully copy the displayed deposit address. Now, move to the exchange or personal wallet you're sending from. From there, access the Withdraw section. Choose USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Then select TRX as the network, ensuring it matches the network selected on Bybit. Paste the copied Bybit address into the recipient address field. Before moving forward, confirm that both the address and network are correct. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and approve the withdrawal. After a short processing time, the funds will appear in your Bybit funding wallet. Finally, let's go through how futures trading works on Bybit. Before placing any futures trades, transfer your USDT from the funding wallet to the unified trading wallet. Open your funding wallet and select the transfer option. Set the transfer direction from funding to unified trading. Choose USDT as the asset to move. Enter the amount you want to transfer. After confirming, the USDT will appear in your unified trading wallet. Now, let's start futures trading step by step. From the top menu, open the trade section, then move into the futures menu. You'll now be on the futures trading screen. First, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner, and select a futures pair you want to trade. On the right side of the screen, you can configure detailed trading settings. By selecting this option, you can set the margin mode. With isolated mode, only the margin for that position is used. With cross mode, all available margin in your account is shared. For safer trading, beginners are advised to use isolated mode. Using the button next to it, you can modify the leverage level. Leverage can be adjusted up to 100x. While higher leverage increases potential profit, it also raises risk. For new traders, keeping leverage low is highly recommended. By selecting this option, you can choose the order type. Here, you can set both the order price and quantity. The section below shows the margin you have available. Finally, use this button to choose your position direction. If you expect the price to go up, choose long. If you expect the price to go down, choose short. After entering a trade, open the Positions tab at the bottom. Here, you can check the status of your open position. Entry price shows the price where you entered the trade. Mark price reflects the current market price. Leak price shows your liquidation level. If the market reaches this price, the position will be liquidated automatically. By selecting TPSL, you can set take profit and stop loss levels. When you decide to exit the trade, select the Close Position button. Choose either limit or market as the closing method. Enter the price and amount to close the position. Click Confirm to proceed. Your position will then be closed successfully. In this video, I walked you through how to sign up for Bybit and showed you how futures trading works step by step in a simple way. Your support through subscribing and liking this video truly helps the channel. Thank you.